What's good, y'all? We're back with another video, back with another banger for me. And today it's a little bit of a different setup for me. I'm on my phone now. So today what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing a hair tutorial. Just come with me to do my hair. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. We got the product that you're gonna need. So you're gonna need the custard, the mousse, you're gonna need a water bottle or a spray bottle, whatever it's called. Then you're gonna need some leave-in conditioner and a styling cream. Alright, so I basically took my hair out. I was showing you before. It looks a little raggedy. I know it's dry. It's ridiculous. I look a hot mess. Look at it. Look at it standing. Like, this is disgusting. Alright, so the first step is we're gonna go ahead and spray your hair. Give it a nice good spritz until it's like, I don't want to say soaked, but it's good. It's like damp enough to where you can get all the knots and get everything through there. Rake it really nice through. So I started spraying the top of my hair, which is the driest, in the back because that's the nappiest. And I just went underneath, over top, throughout. You know what I'm saying? Just went ahead and spritzed my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to take that leave-in conditioner that we showed you in the first clip. I'm going to go ahead and put a good bit. I only put 2 pumps, but you can put way more than that. And I'm just going to go ahead and rake it through my hair. Not hard, but kind of scrunch it at the same time. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take the styling cream, do another couple pumps of that as well. And I'm going to do the same steps, do a scrunch and a rake through kind of. Get the underneath, the top, all throughout your hair so that moisture can get to your scalp and to the rest of your hair. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the custard that I showed you in the first clip. I use the Millie brand because it's just the best for my hair. Everybody's hair is different. So I'm going to take about 2 fingers worth. Go ahead, get a good bit on there. I showed you there. That's how much I put in my hair, to your choice, however dry or how much you want it in there. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to scrunch. Do not rake it through. Just to give it enough of a scrunch to get the curls kind of started and activated. Alright, and the final product is the mousse. Now, you can use any mousse of your choice. This is just the one that I chose. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is get about that much and go ahead and also do the last step that I did before, which is scrunch it. Go ahead, scrunch it through your hair to give it more volume. Just kind of helps activate your curls a little bit more and keep that moisture locked into your hair for the rest of your day. Let it air dry and I'll be back with the final result. Alright, y'all, and this is the final result. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I gave you a couple different angles of it. Coils are still coiling for certain. Anyways, hope you guys did enjoy. Peace.